Hey y'all, welcome back to TIDYWITTOYA. This your girl Toya, hitting you up with my very first spring 2022 weenie. And we are starting here in the kitchen on this day. Man, I got a lot accomplished. I pulled out the refrigerator, I pulled out the stove another day. I'm just so excited about showing you all this video here on today. I hope y'all enjoy.
To make me feel right, I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl.
So let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Toya. I am a full-time working mom of boy-girl twins. I am married and we live here in Kansas City, Missouri. I create cleaning, organizing, decluttering, sometime a meal prep here and there type content. If this is something that interests you, make sure you subscribe, like my video, and hit me up in the comments to let me know you're here watching. For all you returners, thank you so much for coming back week after week. I really appreciate your support and your just love for me. Like, this has definitely been a journey, and I want to continue this journey and continue inspiring more and more families to clean, declutter, and just tidy up their space. So thank you all for coming back, and to you new folks, I hope you enjoy.
That is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. It's a thing. wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always stay dreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I had to burn you. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Finally. Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of.
There were a couple spots in the oven that I couldn't, not in the oven, I'm sorry, up under the range right here that I couldn't get up, but I got most of everything else up, and up under the eyes wasn't very bad. So I was really glad for that. Full disclosure, I wanted to get behind the fridge and the oven because last winter we had a mouse that snuck into the house, and so I wanted to make sure that we got everything cleaned up from where we thought the mouse had been during that last winter. So
Either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night time get that good till we act right. So tell me when we on a date, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go on. We could
cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I know when your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blemish, make amends, know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow up my life. Please don't come over, cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you.
Y'all, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed me getting my kitchen together for this spring 2022 video. I will have more videos to come, so make sure you check out my future spring cleaning videos to see all of what I get accomplished. Once again, make sure you like this video, leave me a note in the comments, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. See y'all in the next one.
I feel so foolish.